A spacious living room with an entrance part, a cozy corner for a resting and chill area, TV watching, a very big bedroom with a big window in the wall and a huge space for a wardrobe. Let's go. Here is a kitchen area. The water heater is integrated already in the kitchen, so here is everything you need for cooking. A pretty big shower room, bathroom, toilet, sink, everything. And of course, which is missing a lot of projects, a technical room where you have a washing machine and dryer. So it's all here. And all the house is equipped with a heating, with a ventilation system, and all you need for a extraordinary living.